Today, for the Bitcoin price, you have probably already seen many gurus predicting the price right or wrong. Forget about all of them. What we are going to show you today is one specific guy who has been not only predicting the exact high of the bull market in 2017, also he has been predicting the exact day when Bitcoin is going to top out. He predicted the exact bear market. He predicted the low of Bitcoin up to a few dollars. And also he predicted this movement, this top, the blow off top, and also this temporary low right here. And what he is doing right now, he just released it yesterday, a new prediction, a 12-month forecast where he is saying exactly what he thinks, where the Bitcoin price is going to according to his specific TA analytics, and also when we are going to reach a new all-time high. We will talk about all of that. It is going to be mind-blowing and entertaining, guys. So make sure you take a seat. Make sure you take a cold one also. Smash up the like button. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris. And as always, especially today, as we have seen that, we are really pumped to go straight into the content because we are not over-promising here. What he has been doing is not only predicting all of these crazy price movements, but also the future right now. So let's get into it. Let's get straight into it right now. So what he was saying is, and this was here, you can see it on the 4th of December 2017. He was saying, of course, and that was not a secret, that we are in a parabolic curve pattern. But I mean, back in the days in December, who thought that we would top out in 2 weeks? Well, this guy did. He said, not only I'm calling a top at a max out of this move being 20,000, but could end sooner. And now, guys, listen to it. And it is getting better as the time passes. A collapse could see Bitcoin return to somewhere between 2,000 and 3,000 US dollars. I would lean towards 3,000. He did not even predict the top. He also predicted the low before the bull market even ended. He already predicted the low of the upcoming bear market. And even more mind-blowing is, if you go to that top here of his prediction, that was approximately 20,000 US dollars. You know, that was our all-time high. And then look on the downside. The 18th of December 2017, where his parabolic curve actually ends. The 18th of December, let's go straight here into that chart. And you can see we have the 20,000, and also look on the downside. We have the 18th of December 2017. Well, some people might say that's luck. It's only luck. So let's go on. Maybe it is luck, but guys, it is getting even more mind-blowing. So he is saying we will see a return to mean to 3,000 US dollars. Also, you know, that is exactly what happened afterwards. But it is getting even better. Here he was quoting Satoshi Nakamoto, who said the following on the 21st of February 2010. The price of any commodity tends to gravitate towards the production cost. If the price is below cost, then production slows down. If the price is above the cost, profit can be made by generating and selling more. Well, such as with Bitcoin. So right here, he is pointing out a potential bottom of 3,172, which was in fact $30 away of the all-time low, of the temporary low in the Bitcoin bear market. So what he is saying here is, and now guys, listen closely, and he is saying that on the 31st of March, it is reasonable to assume that there is a floor price which will be met in a market which is largely dictated by supply. Miners will contract their supply, and guys, remember, it was on the 31st of March of 2018, in the beginning of the bear market. Miners will contract their supply somewhat if the marginal cost then begins to exceed production. Simple economics therefore would suggest that there will be a self-corrective mechanism which would keep the floor price around the cost of production, which will, by all accounts, appear to be 3,000 to 4,500 US dollars. So he also predicted the exact low of the bear market, but it is of course getting better. Otherwise, we wouldn't make an episode about it. Because right there, and that was just a few months ago, on the 24th of July in 2019, before the breakdown out of the descending triangle, he was pulling out this 12-month forecast. And what he is saying right here, and we will go into that chart right afterwards and tell you exactly what happened. In fact, exactly what he predicted happened. But before, he said we probably need to consolidate for more time before the halvening. perhaps move sideways as I have illustrated, but ultimately I'm suggesting that we will push for new all-time highs earlier in 2020. At the time of the halvening. So that's, first of all, that's exactly what Moonboy wants to hear. But he is also saying, I suspect that this will invoke a new bull market, as absurd as it sounds. People like buying new all-time highs for confirmation, so ultimately that's it. And here he's saying retrace, and that was in July 2019, just a few months ago, retrace from here to the 61.8. You know, this is exactly what happened as we hit 7,400. Consolidate the remainder of the year between 7,500 and 10,000 US dollars, which is exactly what is happening right now. Exit rounding bottom, cup and handle summer 2020, following by a sell the news event when the halvening occurs in May 2020. And this is also exactly what we have been saying. We have been talking about a front running and then a sell the news event with the halvening. And a bull market cycle to follow thereafter. Well, this is what the Moonboy wants to hear. So let's zoom out a little bit. And we remember in July, we were at prices of 9,700, approximately 10,000, before the breakdown into the descending triangle. So 2 days ago, he released an update of his forecast, and we can see how the price exactly behaved like he was saying right there in the forecast. You can see the price was in fact going down, just as this candle here suggests, and then we had the huge bounce once we reached 7,400, as you can also see right there. I mean, it is crazy, guys, but this is the proof. He has been uploading all of that on TradingView before. And then we had the huge reaccumulation bounce, and right now he is suggesting, or he is predicting for the future, that the price of Bitcoin, just to show you again here, that was on the 30th of October, the update of his prediction on the 24th of July. And now he is saying, after this huge massive bounce, we will go into a sideways action until December. And now this is a key point of interest. This is very important, what is going to happen in December. What he is saying is, did I mark it right here somewhere? Yes. He is saying that in December, we will find a golden cross, the 500 and the 100 weekly moving average cross. He is saying the 50-100 week moving average is due to cross going into December. There will be a 6-month to go before the halvening, and the narrative will no doubt gain momentum as we go towards the halvening. So if we go back into the charts and we pull out the golden cross here of the 50 and the 200 week moving average, he is in fact right. If the price were to consolidate within the next few weeks going into December, we will see a golden cross here on the 50 and 100 week moving average exactly in December. And he is saying that will be a huge, massive up spike towards the, maybe even up until the halvening 20,000 US dollar levels, because if we go back here, also prior to the halvening, we had the golden cross of the 50 and 100 week moving average, and the price was just skyrocketing towards nearby the all-time high before, but here we hit the all-time high afterwards. But his arguments are, right now the information are more widely distributed, and we will hit the all-time high even before right there, before the halvening. We will see some front running after the 50-100 week moving average. So what he is doing in his predictions, not only predicting the exact high, the exact day, the low of the bear market, the high of this pump, the retracement of 7,400, and also this specific pump here, he has also been predicting way before, already in July, as you can see it here with this massive candle. So guys, let us know what you think about that. In our opinion, this is the #1 price predictor. You can only find him on TradingView, and his accuracy is actually unmet. Let us know, what do you think? There is a poll popping up on top of the screen right now. Do you think that the Bitcoin price will reach a new all-time high before the halvening in May 2020? Let us know, and also leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and make sure you smash up the like button for our video. We are all doing that for free for you guys. And also, not only if you want to support us, but also if you want to trade on Bybit. You know that Bybit is Yeah, at the moment, in our opinion, the strongest exchange. They don't have system overloads. They are not going down like BitMEX and stuff. You get a free $60 by clicking that link, depositing 0.2 Bitcoin, and you can basically only trade with the bonus, which is completely risk-free and don't even touch your own money. Also, if you scroll down, we have new merchandise. You can just check it out and purchase it. If you think like 30 bucks for a t-shirt are too high, don't buy it. It's actually what also this platform here demands from us, because they have to pack it, they have to send it. So they keep a huge amount because we are not packing it, we are not printing it. Only the design is coming from our very own lovely designer. So make sure you check it out. This is something like a GTA kind of thing with Da Vinci and myself here representing the MMCrypto team. And you will find a lot of other crazy t-shirts. You can support us and you can wear some extremely funny stuff like cheap is our favorite number, see ya when I see ya, and so on. Everything what you know from the MMCrypto team. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see each other very, very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.